You have been deceived. This is clearly a domestic car, not an imported one.
Impossibly! I even paid extra when I bought the car.
Look at this string of numbers. It's equivalent to the vehicle's ID card number. It cannot be faked because it is stamped with steel.
No one will read such a long number at all.
You didn't notice it when you bought the car. As long as you remember these 3 points, you will not be cheated whether you are buying a new car or a used car in the future. First, 3 in 1. There's one on the frame and one on the lower left corner of the windshield. The last place is something that many people have not noticed. There is one on the vehicle nameplate. The numbers in these 3 places must be exactly the same. Otherwise, the car is likely to have been in an accident and you won't even be able to have its license plate, especially if it's a used car. What does this string of numbers mean? The first one represents the place where the car is produced. The 10th digit represents the year of manufacture. P is for 2023. All must be consistent. I made a table. You can check it yourself. Whether you are buying a new car or a second-hand car in the future, you can prevent yourself from getting ripped off.